For millions of years, a vast green empire has breathed beneath the clouds. A living cathedral of towering giants, pulsing rivers, and ancient secrets older than human memory. Each year, this colossal wilderness absorbs billions of tons of carbon, shaping the climate, weather, and life of our entire planet. But beyond its gentle, oxygen-rich breath lies a world carved by conflict, where survival is tested every second. Welcome to the primeval Amazon, a realm where every shadow hides a hunter, and every heartbeat echoes through a kingdom untouched by time. Spread across 9 nations, and stretching farther than the eye can imagine, the Amazon rainforest forms the greatest concentration of life in the known world. Its canopy rises like a floating continent, an emerald ceiling woven from hundreds of billions of trees, many older than recorded civilization. Up here, sunlight becomes gold, air becomes mist, life becomes infinite. Scientists estimate that the Amazon may shelter nearly 1 million plant species, many still undiscovered. Every year, new species reveal themselves. Tiny orchids, bioluminescent fungi, insects shaped by millennia of evolution. But beauty here is never separate from danger. This forest thrives on balance, a delicate, uncompromising tension between growth and survival. Within the tangle of shadows, a ghost stirs, a predator born from silence itself. The melanistic jaguar, cloaked in midnight black fur, invisible even under moonlight. For most creatures, darkness is a weakness. For this hunter, darkness is home. It moves without sound, without hesitation, without mercy. One explosive leap, a single crushing bite, and the jungle falls quiet once more. To witness this creature is rare. To understand it, nearly impossible. It is the spirit of the Amazon's hidden heart, powerful, sacred, and forever unseen. Before it became the thriving superecosystem we know, the Amazon endured cataclysms beyond imagination. Millions of years ago, the rise of the Andes Mountains reshaped entire continents. Rivers reversed, flooded plains drained. A barren basin gradually transformed into a lush rainforest. This monumental shift sparked an explosion of life unmatched anywhere on Earth. From venom-bright frogs to titanic serpents, from prehistoric fish to sky-gliding primates, every lineage here carries the echoes of that ancient upheaval. The Amazon is not just a rainforest. It is a monument to Earth's evolutionary brilliance. Above the forest floor lies a world few eyes ever witness, a vibrant sky kingdom suspended 150 feet in the air. Nearly half of all Amazon species never touch the ground. Sloths hang in slow, deliberate movements, conserving every calorie. Their fur, coated in green algae, grows miniature ecosystems of insects and fungi. Spider monkeys swing with impossible agility, their prehensile tails acting as an extra limb. Howler monkeys unleash roars that shake the dawn, their powerful lungs marking territories across miles. Orchids bloom on branches that never see soil. Butterflies shimmer like living jewels. And tiny hummingbirds, hearts beating over 1,000 times per minute, paint streaks of iridescent light between flowers. This canopy is more than a habitat. It is a floating world, a cradle of oxygen, diversity, and beauty. Beneath the leaf litter, another universe unfolds. Here, millions of invisible organisms, bacteria, fungi, microarthropods, recycle the forest from the inside out. Leafcutter ants march in endless lines, harvesting greenery not for themselves, but for the fungus farms deep within their underground cities. This subterranean world sustains the entire forest, breaking down life, rebuilding soil, and fueling the endless cycle of renewal. In this tiny realm, even the smallest creature carries the weight of an ecosystem. Cutting through the rainforest is the Amazon River, a colossal serpent of water stretching across a continent. Its whitewater streams churn with nutrient-rich sediment. Its blackwater tributaries glow like dark glass, filled with tannins from decaying leaves. Within these shifting worlds swim over 2,000 species of fish, more than the number in the entire Atlantic Ocean. The legendary Arapaima, a prehistoric giant capable of breaching the surface with explosive force. The stealthy Anhinga, slicing beneath the water like a living spear. The misunderstood piranha, a precise and efficient scavenger shaped by survival. Even butterflies gather on riverbanks to drink the tears of basking turtles, a rare ritual of life, feeding on life. Here, the river does not simply nourish the forest, it defines it. As darkness drapes the canopy, the Amazon transforms. Great horned owls glide silently between branches, talons ready to strike. Orb weaver spiders spin colossal webs, shimmering like silver nets under moonlight. Goliath tarantulas emerge from earthen burrows, sensing vibrations with hair-fine precision. And deep within hidden limestone caves, vampire bats awaken. Masters of silent feeding, they rely on razor-sharp teeth and a chemical cocktail in their saliva to siphon blood unnoticed. Night turns the forest into a cryptic battleground, a place where sound, scent, and vibration dictate every decision. Every creature here, from the smallest fungus to the mightiest predator, plays a role in the Amazon's fragile equilibrium. Macaws defend their nests high in the treetops, their brilliant plumage flashing like living flames. Hummingbirds pollinate thousands of plants, stitching the canopy together with each flight. Predators regulate populations. Scavengers return life to the soil. Plants breathe oxygen into the sky. This rainforest is not a collection of species. It is a single living organism, interconnected, ancient, and irreplaceable. To protect it is not a choice, it is a responsibility. Because the Amazon is more than a rainforest. It is the Earth's beating heart, a timeless sanctuary of life. And a reminder that the wild still holds secrets powerful enough to shape the future of every living soul on this planet.